Hello, everyone. I hope you're all fine. Today's story is very beautiful and very helpful. It has strong life lesson. It has also simple daily life sentences. Please practice this story and repeat it with me. Now, let's start. On a small island called Madeira in Portugal, a poor boy named Cristiano Ronaldo was born into a simple family. Life was not easy for him. His father worked very hard. His mother struggled to support the family. Sometimes they did not even have enough money. But young Cristiano had one thing that made him different from everyone else. A dream. A very big dream. From childhood, Cristiano loved football more than anything in the world. While other children rested, he played football. While others slept, he practiced. While others wasted time, he trained harder. The streets became his playground. He kicked old footballs for hours every day. People quickly noticed his talent. But talent alone was not enough. Cristiano wanted more. He wanted to become the best football player in the world. Many people laughed at him. Some thought he was too skinny. Some said he was too emotional. Others believed he was dreaming too big. But Cristiano ignored the negativity because deep inside, he believed in himself. At only 12 years old, Cristiano left his family and moved far away to join a football academy in Lisbon. Imagine being a young boy, alone in a new city. He missed his mother. He missed his home. He missed his friends. Sometimes he cried quietly at night. But he did not quit, because he knew success required sacrifice. At the academy, Cristiano trained harder than everyone else. After practice ended, he continued practicing. He improved his speed. He improved his shooting. He improved his fitness. One coach later said, Cristiano trained like someone who was afraid of being ordinary. That was true. Cristiano never wanted an average life. But then, life tested him again. One day, doctors discovered Cristiano had a serious heart problem. For a football player, this news was terrifying. There was a chance he might never play football again. His dream suddenly felt in danger. Cristiano underwent heart surgery while still very young. Most people would become afraid. But Cristiano returned to training only days later. His determination shocked everyone. Slowly, his hard work began paying off. He started playing for bigger clubs. Then one historic moment arrived. Cristiano joined Manchester United, one of the biggest football clubs in the world. Now, the whole world was watching him. At first, not everyone believed in him. Some critics called him selfish. Some said he cared too much about skills and tricks. But Cristiano stayed focused. Every year, he improved himself. He trained longer than others. He exercised more than others. He pushed himself beyond limits. His discipline became legendary. While other players rested after matches, Cristiano often continued training because he understood something powerful. Success is built when nobody is watching. Soon, Cristiano became one of the world's greatest footballers. Goals, trophies, records. Again and again, he achieved the impossible. But Cristiano was never satisfied. Even after winning awards, he continued working harder. That mindset made him different. Then came another huge chapter in his life. Cristiano joined Real Madrid. There, he broke record after record. Millions of fans around the world admired him. Children copied his hairstyle. Teenagers copied his celebrations. Football lovers copied his work ethic. But behind the fame stood the same poor boy from Madeira who once practiced on small streets. Cristiano faced failures too. He lost important matches. He missed penalties. He heard criticism everywhere. But every failure only made him stronger. Because champions are not people who never fail. Champions are people who rise after failure. Cristiano once said, "Your love makes me strong. Your hate makes me unstoppable." That sentence perfectly described his mentality. Today, Cristiano Ronaldo is known as one of the greatest football players in history. But his story is not only about football. It is about discipline. It is about sacrifice. It is about believing in yourself when nobody else does. A poor boy with a dream became a global icon because he refused to stop working. So if people doubt you, if life becomes difficult, if your dreams seem impossible, remember Cristiano Ronaldo. Practice when others rest. Believe when others doubt. Continue when others quit. Because greatness is not born overnight. It is built every single day. Dream big, work hard, stay disciplined, and one day the world will know your name.